Hey, what's going on YouTube? Out here trying to catch a bass with topwater today. Got a frog tag on. Nice little breeze. So, moving that frog back somewhat fast, medium paced. Small little blackfish, small, not bad, not bad. I haven't caught really nothing this year. No bass or much this year at all. I think my frog took on water. Oh no, it's just a little tangled. It's just weird. Okay, there it goes. Let's keep walking this way, chat. Let's keep going this way. Minnows. Let's hike around this way. It has y'all caught anything this year? If y'all made it this far along into the video, hit that like and subscribe button. That'd be good. Ooh, about fell. I don't think there's gonna be a bass here, but I don't think there's gonna be a bass that. I don't think a bass can get that shallow. Yeah, that's very shallow. Alright, I'm gonna look around this. Okay. Look, just straight mud. So let's go around this. Ooh. About fell. Crawdad hole. Right, now I can start walking back this way. I'm waiting to. We'll go stand on that bridge right there for just a minute. Take a couple daggone cast out that way. Or whatever this thing is. That was a good one. Excuse me. Ooh. Just spooked something right there, chat. Ooh. I just spooked something. Probably a small bass. Small bass or some bluegill or something. Yeah, probably some bluegill. There's a lot of grass right now. Well, right in this pond. So, what do we think about getting some? What do we think about range videos, gun range videos, shooting videos? It's kind of. Oh, good. What it kept going. That was back on. Just went. There, something just rolled right there. Probably a bluegill or a small bass or something. Look at that, bro. Let's go around this tree. Can't fish up underneath it. I can over here though. You come over here and eat it sideways. After I take out the limbs. Aw, dang it, hit a tree. Smell backlash, smell. Not bad though. There's some sand, sandy bottom. Trees. That one hurt. There's a bobber. Just sitting there. Over there's where the bass will be. Mallard. There's a mallard duck. Y'all see that? There's a mallard. The bass like being up underneath them trees like that, hanging over the water. That was something. Just hit top water too. Wolf going around. What was that? It's part of a. No. Not a pecan. Pecan. I've seen the pecan trees though. I don't know where that one pecan came from though. This is a nice one. I'll come back. There's mallards. There's mallard ducks right there. No, I can't see them though. Oh, there it goes. Y'all see? Did y'all see him? I don't know if anything's gonna hit it today. It's been like this for the last couple of days. Just not a real, there's not a lot of bass movement, I guess. Oh, snap. You know what, chat? I think that's gonna end it for today's video. I'm gonna get this this is the last cast of the day. Alright, here's the last one. Oh. Alright. I will see y'all on the next one.